Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad, Estimation, Quantity Surveying and Valuation. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Earthwork for roads and canals. I explained different methods how to calculate, and we'll see one problem here. Calculate the quantity of earthwork of 200-meter length of portion road in a uniform ground. The ground is uniform. There is no slope. See, slope is also is there. 1:150 meters. That is for 150 meters, 1 meter depth or height may be there. Slope may be there. So 1:100 like that. But here ground is uniform. You observe here the ground is uniform ground. Okay, uniform ground. In examination, slope may be given. The edge of the banks at two ends, that is D1 and D2, are given here. That is 1.6 meters. D2. This is depth at first section and depth at last section. The information of width is 10 meter. The formation width, top width. Okay, this formation width is how much? Say this is formation width. This is your say typical road, right? Say this is formation width. Here, this is your ear to ear formation width. That is given 10 meters. And slope, this slope is given 2:1. This is 2:1. Right? See here, assume that there is no transfer slope. First we'll calculate mean sectional area method. What we'll do in sectional area method? Here we'll calculate D1 and we should know D2. We'll calculate one sectional area A1 and other sectional area A2. That is BD1 SD1 square. Now, if you calculate here 10 into 1, 10 plus 2, 12 square meters. At section 2, 10 into 1.6, this is 16, and 1.16 into 1.16 to 2 plus this 16, you will get 21.12 square meter. The mean sectional area, average mean sectional area is equal to A1 plus A2 by 2. That is, you will get 16.6 square meter. Now, quantity is mean sectional area into length. You will get total 16.56 into 200. What is 200 here? The length of the earthwork of a portion that is on uniform ground. So total quantity is 3,312 cubic meter. In this way, you have to calculate. Here, first you observe the problem. What is given? Given data is length of the your earthwork is 200-meter length of portion road. The heights D1 and D2 are 1 meter and 1.6 meter. Formation width B equal to 10 meters. Side slope is 2:1 mean, that is indicates S equal to 2. Assume that there is no transfer slope. Now mean sectional area means you have to calculate first sectional area and other sectional area. A1 plus A2. You have to take average of A1 plus A2. We calculated A1 here by considering D1 1 meter and here your formation width is here 10 meters. Okay. So here 10 meters and here D1 is 1 meter. So BD plus SD square, that is 12 square meters. In A2 sectional area, BD square, BD2 and SD2 square, that is 10 into D2, that is 1.6 plus 2 into D square, D2 square here. D2 square equal to 1.6. You will get here 21.2. What is average AM here? A1 plus A2 by 2. That is 12 plus 21.12 by 2. You will get 16.56. Okay. This is square meter. Area into length, you will get quantity. Quantity, that is mean sectional area into length, you will get 3012 cubic meter. Okay. See, like these problems, you have to do number of problems like this. Now, this problem, same problem, that is calculate the quantity of earthwork for meter length of portion of a road in a uniform ground. The heights of the banks at two ends are 1, that is D1 meter, and D2 is 1.6 meter. The formation width 10 meters as explained above, and side slopes are 2:1, that is S is 2. Assume that there is no transverse slope. By using Prismadal formula, we'll solve this problem. How to solve? A1 plus A2 plus 4AM into L by 6. How to get this A1, A2 values? Already solved in previous problem. A is 1 equal to BD1 plus SD1 square. Here, SD1 square. Here, if you see here, BD1 plus SD1 square. Here D1 is 1 meter. Okay. Your B is 10 meters. Okay. Always you note down what is the given data. Given data is B equal to 10 and your S is 2, that is slope. D1 is 1. So if you do this, is you will get A1 12 square meters and this A2 is 21.2 square meters. This formula, to substitute this formula, AM is what? Average sectional area. How to calculate average sectional area? BDM SDM square. What is average? 1 plus here 1. If you see here, see here average of these two. See, this is calculator, you can use 1 here plus 1.6. How much you will get? 2.6. This divided by how much? 2. Right? You will get 1.3. This is DM. Okay. Here you calculate 10 into 1.3, that is 13 plus 2 into 1.3 into 1.3. So you will get 16.38 square meter. So in Prismadal formula, by using this is A1. A1 is, here you got 12 square meters and A2 is 21.2. Okay. and B is your length is, this is 4 into AM. 4 into this is AM, mean sectional area, that is 16.38 square meter. Here into length by 6, we will get 3288 cubic meter. Okay, see, this is, if you see in previous problem, how much you got? 3,312. Here in this problem, how much you got? 3,288. But this is accurate method comparatively previous method. So this is a 10 marks question in your external examinations. So you must remember this formula whenever given two sections. But if series of sections are there, we have to go for different formulas. What I have explained. See, both are same. The problem is same, but we solve this by mean sectional area. You can solve by mid sectional area. How you are going to mid sectional area? D1 plus D2 by 2. Like that, this is mean sectional area. In mean sectional area, that itself average area of first section and average area of first and last section into, and to get quantity of volume multiplied by length, that is here 200, here 3,312, and by this pyramidal formula, instead of that one, you got slightly less value. This is 3,288. See, we will see one more problem in the next class. Thank you.